By the end of the video, we'll know about how to lose skinny fat specifically for girls, focusing on strategies tailored to achieve a leaner and more toned physique. Skinny fat is a common concern among females, characterized by a higher body fat percentage and lower muscle mass. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you effectively lose skinny fat. Effective strategies to lose skinny fat for girls. 1. Strength training. Incorporate resistance exercises into your routine to build muscle and boost metabolism. Focus on compound movements such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and push-ups. Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week to stimulate muscle growth. 2. High intensity interval training. HIIT workouts are excellent for burning calories and promoting fat loss. Include exercises like sprint intervals, jumping jacks, burpees, or cycling at maximum effort, followed by short periods of rest. Perform HIIT workouts 2 to 3 times per week. 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Supplement your workouts with regular cardio sessions to further enhance calorie burning. Activities like jogging, cycling, or dancing can help improve cardiovascular health and support fat loss. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes of cardio 3 to 4 times per week. 4. Focus on nutrition. Adopt a balanced diet that includes lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Monitor your calorie intake and ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your metabolism. Limit sugary drinks and alcohol, as they can contribute to excess calorie intake. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Lifestyle adjustments. 6. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support muscle recovery and overall well-being. 7. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress can contribute to weight gain and hinder fat loss efforts. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Conclusion. Losing skinny fat as a girl requires a combination of strength training, cardio exercise, proper nutrition, and healthy lifestyle habits. By implementing these strategies consistently, you can achieve a leaner and more sculpted physique. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and achieving your fitness goals.